Hey, stop right there. Before you speak one more word of English, watch this. Because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you the most common mistakes people make when they speak English, and I am going to show you how to fix them fast. You need not to study for years, you do not need a fancy teacher, you just need to know what to fix and how to fix it. So, stay with me. This video will change the way you speak English, I promise. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous before speaking English? Have you ever said something and then thought, did that sound right? You are not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. But here is the truth. Most of the time, the problem is not your vocabulary. It is not your grammar. It is something much simpler. It is the small habits you have built over time, small mistakes that you repeat every day, and because you repeat them every day, they feel normal, they feel correct, but they are not. The good news? You can fix them right now. Today, let me show you how. Fix number 1. Stop translating in your head. This is the biggest mistake, the number 1 problem. When you want to say something in English, do you think of it in your own language and then translate it? Most people do. And that is why their English sounds slow, broken, unnatural. Here is the fix. Start thinking in English, even small things. When you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, I am awake. I need to brush my teeth. I want coffee. Do you think it in your language first? Think it directly in English. It will feel strange at first. That is okay. Keep doing it every day. After a few weeks, your brain will start to work in English automatically. And when your brain works in English, your mouth will follow. Fix number 2. Speak in short sentences. Many learners try to say everything in one long sentence. They connect word after word after word, and the sentence never ends. They get confused. The listener gets confused. Nobody is happy. Here is the fix. Use short sentences, very short. Instead of saying, I was thinking that maybe if you are free this weekend, we could perhaps go to the market and buy some things that we need for cooking. Instead, say this, are you free this weekend? Let's go to the market. We need some things for cooking. Short, clear, easy. Short sentences are not a sign of bad English. They are a sign of good communication. The best speakers in the world use short sentences because short sentences are easy to understand, and easy to understand is the goal. Fix number 3. Slow down. I know what you are thinking. If I speak slowly, people will think my English is bad. No, that is wrong. Speaking too fast is what makes you hard to understand. When you rush, you swallow your words. You skip sounds, you lose your listener. Slow down, take your time. It is okay to pause. Pause between sentences. Pause when you are thinking. A pause is not a mistake. A pause shows confidence. It shows that you are in control. Try this right now. Say this sentence out loud, slowly. I am happy to meet you today. Did you say every word clearly? Did you feel the pause after today? Good. That is what confident English sounds like. Fix number 4. Use simple words. Here is a mistake many learners make. They think big words make them sound smart. They say utilize instead of use. They say commence instead of start. They say endeavor instead of try. But big words often cause problems. You might use them in the wrong way, and the listener might not understand you. Simple words are powerful. Use is better than utilize. Start is better than commence. Try is better than endeavor. The goal is not to impress people with big words. The goal is to be understood. The best communicators use the simplest words possible because simple words work every time. Fix number 5. Practice pronunciation of common words. Some words are very common in English, but many learners say them wrong. Let me show you a few. The word the. Most people say D for everything, but in English, before a vowel sound, you say the. Before a consonant sound, you say the apple, the book. The word comfortable. Many people say comfortable. 4 syllables, but native speakers say comfortable, 3 syllables. The word Wednesday, people try to say every letter, but it is pronounced Wednesday. The D in the middle is silent. These are small things, but they make a big difference. Spend 5 minutes every day practicing the pronunciation of common words. Say them out loud. Record yourself. Listen back. Fix what sounds wrong. 5 minutes a day will change everything. Fix number 6. Learn common phrases, not just words. Here is a secret that most English courses do not teach you. Native speakers do not think in single words, they think in phrases. They say what's up, not just hello. They say I have got to go, not just I go. They say can you say that again, not just repeat. These are called chunks or fixed phrases, and learning them will make your English sound natural very quickly. Here are 5 powerful phrases you can start using today. That makes sense. Use this when you understand something. I am not sure, but use this when you are not 100% confident. Let me think about that. Use this when you need time. What do you mean? Use this when something is not clear. No worries. Use this instead of it's okay or no problem. Learn these phrases, practice them, use them in real conversations. You will notice the difference immediately. Fix number 7. Stop being afraid of mistakes. This is the most important fix of all. Are you ready? Stop being afraid of mistakes. I mean it. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are how you learn. Every great English speaker made thousands of mistakes before they got good. When you are afraid of mistakes, you stop speaking, and when you stop speaking, you stop learning. So, make mistakes, make them on purpose if you have to. Say the wrong word, use the wrong tense, then fix it and move on. Nobody is judging you. Most people are kind. Most people just want to understand you and be understood by you. The fastest learners are not the ones who make the fewest mistakes. They are the ones who are brave enough to keep talking even when they are not perfect. So brave, keep talking. The 60-second daily practice plan. Now let me give you a simple plan. You can do this every single day. It takes 60 seconds, really. Step 1 to 20 seconds. Pick one thing that happened today. Say 3 sentences about it in English out loud right now. Example, I woke up late today. I missed my breakfast. I was a little tired at work. Simple, short, done. Step 2. 20 seconds. Say one new phrase you learned. Say it in 2 different sentences. Example, that makes sense. Yes, that makes sense to me. Repeat it. Feel it in your mouth. Make it yours. Step 3. 20 seconds. Record yourself speaking for 20 seconds about anything. Your day, a movie you watched, something you ate. Then listen back. Notice one thing you want to improve. Just one thing. That is it. 60 seconds every day, and in 30 days you will not believe how much you have improved. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And leave a comment below. Tell me which of these 7 fixes do you need the most right now. I read every comment. I would love to hear from you. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Now, videos come out every week. Remember this, your English does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear. And with a little practice every day, clear is completely possible for you. Keep going, keep speaking. You are better than you think. I will see you in the next video.